What's up? I hope you guys are having a blessed morning. Oh my gosh, I am just here reminiscing on our Jamaican vlogs, and this is part of the reason, guys, why I love vlogging. Like, I have all these memories that I can sit and watch. The kids them can watch. Like, we're watching our Jamaican vlogs from 2018. It's just crazy, just sitting here watching, going back and watching the vlogs and stuff like that, just seeing like what we have accomplished in life, where we came from, and where we are about to go. Right, Snuckums? He's not sleeping, guys. He's watching something on his phone. He's watching something on his phone. So yeah, we're just here. I'm about to get up just now and get myself together. We have some errands to do, and we are getting prepared for Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving weekend in Canada. So happy early Thanksgiving to everybody that's in Canada, and Thanksgiving to everybody that don't even celebrate it regardless. We're just here just watching and just, reminiscing about when we were back home, just the vlogs, and like, seeing our old house that was still up and now it's knocked down, and where it is now. And yeah, and COVID has definitely dampered our plans. Our plans got messed up for this year, but you know what? I always say it's a blessing in disguise, because certain things we wanted to do we couldn't do, but at the end of the day, other things are still being able to get done. So that's the most important thing. But we're gonna get up and get ourselves together because we got to go shopping. I gotta go get the food and stuff for Thanksgiving, so we can get stuff prepared. So I'm gonna get up and do that. So I just hurry up and did like a quick makeup look. Now I am heading out to, well, go get ready, and finally heading outside now. So we've finally left the house, but it looked like it's going to rain. It's been looking gloomy outside all day. So pretty much we're going out to get prepared, because we are going, well, as of is it yesterday or the day before, we went into phase 2 of lockdown for the next 28 days, because the numbers are very high. In Toronto alone, it's 939 in one day, and that's higher than when the pandemic first started. So they decided to go back in phase 2, so to lock down. Oh, look at the flowers, you guys can't even see it. This is the only thing that I love about fall, is the beautiful, the color of the trees, the change of color. But I hate when the leaves them fall off and they die, because the trees them, the root them, pretty much they look dead. They're not green, and it just looks dead and depressing over here. But yeah, enough about that. So that is what we are going to do. I feel like I'm getting sick. I don't know, I feel like I'm getting like a head cold or something like that. I could feel it coming, but it just looks so gloomy outside. I should have came that way. I should have came that way. We just like backtracked. I wasn't even thinking about it. Yeah, and it's also Thanksgiving weekend, guys. Yes, so happy Thanksgiving to every Canadian out there. And well, every day is a day to give thanks. So I think, yeah, next month is the States Thanksgiving, but October's ours. So yes, so it's Thanksgiving weekend, so make sure you guys are staying safe, and they've limited how much people that you could have gathering with. They're basically trying to say if it's within your household, or that's pretty much, they don't want you having a big gathering. So a lot of people won't be able to even gather with their family, which kind of sucks. And yeah, so but we just gotta do what we need to do to make sure that we're staying safe as well. But I guess, yeah, we're just gonna take you guys along as we go and get prepared for Thanksgiving weekend, because we gotta go get turkey, gotta get chicken and stuff like that. Oh, look, there's Salina.
Yeah, right.
Huh? What? Oh, the car. Oh, Lord.
Anything not buy about as is. Anything I buy, I can't care about me.
Oh, Lord. So, that is what we are doing.
People crosses.
Well, enough time people pick up people crosses and no say crosses then pick up green until afterwards. It's like everybody's sitting there not moving. For what reason? Oh my goodness.
Oh, you're not paying attention.
Huh?
You're not paying attention.
Ooh, you're not paying attention? Hello, am I the one that's driving or you?
Yeah,
You're the one that's driving, not me.
Yeah, co-pilot.
Be a co-pilot. Me only co-pilot when it's convenient to you. You see your face? I'm only a co-pilot when it's convenient, Mr. Williams. So yeah, that is pretty much what we are out here doing. And yeah, so we're just out getting a few stuff. I know you've been asking for more outside vlogs, but it's a little bit hard, and it's going to even be harder having outside vlogs as well. As you know that we're still in a pandemic and we're going in phase 2 of the pandemic because the numbers are getting higher. So the numbers have increased and it's getting worse. So, but we will try our best to at least give you guys some good content as much as possible. So we've reached the store and we're about to start. Oh shit! Yeah, start getting some stuff. We need some barbecues, some bell pepper. Yeah. Really? You're coming nice store in the answer? Eh? Really, babes? Is it obvious? Hmm? Oh. Little sake mushroom. Here. Yes, sir, it's disgusting. Can you get here I know. Me need me not ask if I grab this something, babes. Oh, you not pick it up. Oh, man, put it back. I need the garlic. Alright. What? Is that sweet potato? That's the damage that we done just on getting some stuff. We had already stacked up a bit last week or the week before, so it was good. I just finished packing up the stuff. God, and it started to rain. I knew it was going to rain. Okay, so we got a good amount of stuff. Oh, hubby's there coming. So we gotta go to the dollar store now. Everybody's getting their last minute stuff.
They say to put them in your hand.
Of course I did. I did that before I picked up my phone. Of course.
You want a bet?
Want a bet? Smell my hand.
No.
Smell it.
I know that.
Well, no.
You pick your phone outside in the store.
Yeah, but I sanitize my hand.
Bet me.
But I gotta go home either way and clean it up. This car needs to get cleaned.
You better rub and clean it before winter.
The winter's pretty much here.
You're not here yet.
Okay, so we're running to the dollar store because I need to stuff them to make the food in. And yeah, that is what is up. Look at me, we're wearing slippers outside. Be careful, there's people behind you.
You think I'm gonna be on me?
So you not take off your mask off your face?
I'm going to go mask and me in a social distance. You see me in a 2 meter apart.
You've been joking in your eye? Oh, social distance.
You know,
Take off your mask off your face.
You know, see,
I don't understand why people drive around in the car with it on their face.
social distance.
Social distance against themselves in the car?
No, against themselves. You're a passenger. Like how you're a passenger.
I am a passenger. Well, if me forget it, you go get it. As simple as that.
Yeah,
So we live in the same household.
Nobody
Oh my gosh. Watch the person behind you. Proper English?
They're not doing it.
They're supposed to be closed back down. Yeah, they're supposed to be closed. All gyms and
In Toronto.
and stuff. They're supposed to be closed.
In Toronto.
So me no know. I don't know when is everything fully in effect. We have one more stop to make. Right, Mr. Williams?
Nope.
What do you mean no? We have one more stop to make. So we just actually came out of Dollarama. As you see back there, I got myself some containers because like I cook and I put them in that. So we have one more stop to make, and it's Walmart. I still need to get almonds because I couldn't find any almonds at the other store. It was just the itty bitty almonds, and I needed to make my my candy yams. So I'm going to go see if I can get those now. You could have gone now. Hurry up! And yeah, so I just got a few things to grab. We already have, I wonder if they have the apple pie. I want the apple crumble pie, but knowing probably it's already sold out. They had 2 up here. I don't know if you're gonna like the pumpkin one because you've never had that pumpkin pie before, but it's good with on the apple one. He didn't. No, but you kind of ate it. The crumble one. The crumble one's good. But the pumpkin pie, I don't know if he's going to eat the pumpkin pie. We got pumpkin pie to go with whipped cream and stuff like that and milk. And we got, I think we get ice cream. I think we needed a...
ice cream already.
Yeah, so we have ice cream to go with the stuff as well. So that is for dessert and a couple of other stuff. We're gonna make cheesecake, I think, as well. So it'll be a little nice, you know, gathering for Thanksgiving weekend. Because definitely in this time, you definitely have to give thanks. Well, every day you have to give thanks for what you have. No matter what life throws at you. So, but I guess they say it's a little bit extra special having Thanksgiving. So yeah, so we're just heading to Walmart now, and that is the last stop, and then we're going to head home. And I just gotta start taking out the stuff to prep for dinner tomorrow. Oh, there's my baby babe. Doesn't it look sweet? I say it looks sweet and the price sweeter. The only thing is it's not a 7-seater. That's the only thing. And that's why like it kind of like deteriorates me from wanting to get it. Because it's not a 7-seater. Alright, so we are at Walmart. We're about to run in now and do our last trip. Okay babe, let's go. Now you know, turn off the car.
Degrees and partly cloudy. Good afternoon. I'm Caitlin Lee.
And I'm Alex Bloomfield. Here are the top stories this hour.
Health experts say Toronto, Peel, and Ottawa could have avoided a modified return to stage 2 if more people had listened to guidelines. Many businesses, including restaurants, bars, and gyms, frustrated with these deja vu restrictions that kicked in today. Ontario reporting 809 new cases of COVID-19 with 7 new deaths, pushing the province's death toll to over 3,000. And Donald Trump not letting his recent battle with COVID-19.
Wow, 809 today alone?
He addressed about 2,000 supporters at the White House today, vowing to eradicate.
Well, you guys just heard the numbers. It's still climbing. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I can see your red buggy. Slap him, why? Oh gosh. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Oh, see, they have the two for 10. Oh, 10 there, babes. Oh Lord. Let's see if they have any. Huh? All the apple pies are gone. They don't have none. They only have the Okay, I need to go over there. It's the apple crumble I want. Oh, you know what? Apple crumble pie, babes. What do you mean no? Oh gosh. What? Where's your face? So we're still in Walmart shopping. Getting the few last essential stuff. Man, I was looking for certain things in here. I know, so disgusting. Oh, see me ain't get no asparagus. Me should I pick up something there, babes, you know? What were y'all push me for, Mario? Really? Babes, me should have picked up a thing of asparagus. So this one's in here in the store pushing me. Huh? Oh my god. You say you're treating your wife? Eh? You can't take me out on a romantic date. When last you take me out on a romantic date? Tell the people them. Tell the people them.
You can get some COVID.
You think you'll get some COVID, you know? Oh gosh. You're gonna take me off to get some COVID? Well, you shouldn't do a romantic date dinner at home.
Yeah, sure, one.
A romantic. What do you guys think? You know, I think you should do a nice romantic dinner at home. You see how Mario come in handy? Oh my gosh. Oh, I wonder if that store closed down, babe. Can we go in that store? I wanted to go see if they had they know they had the thing on sale, the king size pillows. Mario, they're usually like $30, and they had them on sale. Stop looking at me like that. Mario, Snuckums, open the door. I'm not playing with you. Mario, open the door. I left my key in the car. Eh? Snuckums, what do you think? Oh shoot. So me almost popped me something there. Hey babes? You hear they talk about frost? Oh Lord.
Just a high of 12 degrees, plenty of sunshine, and it will have an easterly wind around 20 kilometers per hour,
babes?
and not as windy as today. Right now, it is 18 degrees at Pearson, 21 downtown. Tonight's overnight low 6 degrees.
6.
680 Houston 503.
Okay.
Various COVID-19 hotspots in the province are rolling into a modified stage 2.
I guess hubby gonna take me on a mini date. We're gonna go get some lunch. Oh my god, hot lunch. It's 5 o'clock. Me bomb bad. That's all
With 7 new virus-related deaths, that toll province-wide has surpassed 3,000.
Here's so this is story. Here's some of the top bowl.
COVID-19 confirmed today, the second highest total to date. But now, Ontario's hotspots are back to
Yes, this is our little mini date. Yeah? Let me taste piece here or something. Oh, it's hot. Oh, God.
That no raw.
Huh?
Me no want that, you know?
It's not raw.
Me no want it.
Look by your face.
See that there?
So, we're on here. Mini. Woo. A mini date. Having some Wendy's. I guess this is the new norm.
No, I see.
Hey, where you going away? Here. Here's one here.
Me no want it.
Where me make you no want it? Really, babes? Can I ask the sweet potato fries and you get you? Where are you talking to?
Okay, so I'm on.
You go home and go make you. You go home to make the sweet potato fries. So, we're gonna enjoy our little mini date. Wendy's mini date. Okay. I guess this is the closest I could get to actually having a date. It's been a while. You know, I said, Nico mash up my life. COVID mash up my life. You be up?
COVID mash up your life.
Eh?
COVID mash up your life.
No, to be life.
You.
We can't even get a decent date, like a nice, you know,
That you worry about.
out to restaurant
That you
and
worry
stuff.
about.
What do you mean that me
Date.
worry about? Look how much other plans that we
That
have.
you worry about.
If me worry about date, oh please, no, that's the least of my problem.
Not
You can
like-
sit at home and cook.
No, but that
You can make me a nice candlelight dinner at home. That would be nice. Hint, hint. It's been a while. Yes, man, it's not the woman alone is supposed to go out of her way to make a nice candlelight dinner or make a nice dinner for you guys to come home and sit down. It's nice as well when a man actually go out of his way and sit down and make a nice special dinner, something that he knows that his wife or girlfriend would want. And especially in these times, we need that as human beings, like, you know, this in these times to feel that extra specialness from the person that we're with. Do something nice, whether it's just, you know, you do a nice little candlelight dinner, whether you're making chicken, you know, or you're regular making dinner, and just light 2 candles, put on some dim light and nice music, and just enjoy each other's company. Because heck, like, we're all going through our own struggles dealing with this pandemic right now, and as you see, it's not getting better, it's getting worse. So definitely, Mr. Williams, eat your food, but I'm about to go eat, so I'll catch you guys afterwards. So what's up, guys? We just got back in. We finished all of our shopping. Yeah, I got up and changed bed sheets this morning and everything like that before I head out. And changed bed sheet this morning before I headed out. I'm just here. Well, just got home now. I'm sitting down. My phone, like, tell me my phone did not just drop in the toilet. Like, oh my god. And I've been having problems with my phone, so it's time for an upgrade. But like, I am literally trying to wait till the new phone drop, the new iPhone drop, to upgrade my phone. So we ended up stopping at another store. I just didn't end up vlogging it. We went to, yeah, another store. Hubby ended up getting some work stuff because, like, cool season's coming, and he needed to get some more work clothes, so got him some more work pants and stuff like that, and shirt and new helmet and stuff like that. So that was good. Sometimes, like, you know, you work hard, you've got to, sometimes you have to close your eyes when you see certain prices and just buy and just, you, like, you know, call it a day. Especially when it comes to, like, when you need good stuff, you just call it a day sometimes. You can't let pricing stop you from getting certain things, but that doesn't mean you don't shop smart and savvy at the end of the day. But it was just a nice little outing today. I got everything that we need, so now the fridge is all stocked up and we are ready for Thanksgiving. I got laundry to do. I don't think I'm cooking anything tonight. We still had some leftover curry chicken from last night and white rice, and we also did make soup, so there was soup as well. Because of my throat and stuff, I wasn't feeling well yesterday. I don't even think I picked up the camera yesterday at all and vlogged. I was just down for the last how much days with a splitting headache. My head has been, like, literally killing me. So I just been trying to take things easy. Yeah, you guys like this makeup look? Well, it's just a simple look I did, and yeah, so I'm just here relaxing. I don't even know where hubby turned. He came in the house and he disappeared. We're just gonna have a chill night of us just probably relaxing and watching some movies because it is the long weekend, and hubby is grateful for the long weekend, even though they wanted him to work and he's like, nope. But he knows better. It's the long weekend, you'll better take that long weekend, because at the end of the day you're still getting paid, so why not take the long weekend and enjoy the time with your family, you know? Because even with the pandemics going on, as you guys know, he's been working, like, his hours were cut through the pandemic, but they got back and they're okay. They're steady now, but as you know, things are locking back down. As I said earlier, we're in stage, that's Memphis and Faith, stage 2. And yeah, Faith's birthday is coming up, and well, I guess she's gonna have a quarantine birthday like Arissa. But she said she doesn't want nothing for her birthday. She just want to do anything. She just wants a cake and money, because I guess they are growing now, so they don't want to. Look at these two over here. You guys hear them in the background. So, oh Lord. And I just want to say sorry, I haven't been uploading. Like I said, sometimes I need a break from the vlogging.
No. I was doing this, I was making
What are you doing, Memphis? Like, oh my God. Like, really?
Stop.
So yeah, sometimes you need a break. I'm tired, and yeah. And you're turning 15.
You're turning 3.
So yeah, so I got these. You would almost call them, what you say, Gemini twins. Generally,
Gemini twins.
They usually say it's Gemini twins is when their birthday are like how many whatever apart, because Fate's birthday is the 30th of October and Memphis' birthday is November 10th. So generally what I do, I usually like November 5th.
Birthday.
No, usually like November 5th. Like
sometimes you wait till Memphis' birthday.
In between, I usually would just combine the two of them. Get them a cake. Ew, Fate, what are you doing?
Well, I'm sorry, you can't do that anymore.
But now they're like, oh, we don't want to celebrate our birthday together anymore.
I want my own cake. You know what?
They want their, but I've always generally had your guys' own cake.
Yeah, and this time you guys get one each. Everybody gets one slice, and then I get the rest of the cake. That's enough.
No, it's not working like that. If that be the case, you ain't getting no cake.
But it's my birthday.
It doesn't matter.
It's my special
It's your birthday, but I make the rules.
I get at least half the cake.
No, you don't.
Yes,
So,
I do.
Because if you get half of my cake, I get half of yours too.
Listen to these kids here. Oh my God.
Well, actually,
they're
at
literally
least half of my
fighting.
cake.
So, and everybody
getting the
is
smallest
out there
piece of my
just
cake.
picking up stuff right now. Like the stores are so busy. They're limiting how much people can go in the store again. Even the toilet paper and paper towel. Yesterday, hubby went to go get toilet paper. He couldn't get none. They were all out, and this was at Costco.
I want to be grounded.
So, yeah, and this was at Costco, guys. So that is crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh Lord. And it's so crazy because we're sitting here today just like reminiscing, watching our old Jamaica vlogs, and I was like, you know, wishing that we could have gone home. I know, I miss home. I miss home. But unfortunately, that's not it. But yeah, if we're doing anything, I will come back. If not, I am going to end the vlog here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our little outing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend to come and join the William fam. Well, it's always a vibes over here. And I guess I will catch you guys all in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like we life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.